Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 GMC Acadia SLE all-wheel drive, stock number Z6746A. 65,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Acadia brand new, cyber gray metallic in color. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind their third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. There's, of course, with the backup camera displays, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles a gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 65% tire tread left. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.